I'm gonna try something new and make the conventional pancake something else. So I'm gonna make a choco cheese pancake. I'm not sure if it's gonna taste good, but I'm gonna try my best to like do it properly. So I'm gonna get again using the same ingredients for a pancake, the mix, milk, water, egg, and then just mix it up. And also the main thing now is I'm gonna add like the chocolate syrup to add some color in it, and then some chocolate flavor to it too. So I'm gonna combine everything, mix. Could have been way better if I have a mixer, but again, I'm not gonna spend money on that one if I don't really make, if it's not really a job, or it's not really like I'm making a pancake every single day. Alright, so this one's good. I'm gonna heat up the pan. Um, yeah, I'm just gonna warm it up, and then I'm gonna spray it. Alright, so for this part, I'm gonna add like a half of the mix first, and make sure it's kind of like spread out on the pan. And then I'm gonna put the pepper jack cheese. I'm gonna dip it in because it's kind of like already frozen, and it's kind of like, yeah. So I'm gonna top of the cheese. I'm gonna add the remaining half of the mix. And just make sure it's covered, like most of it is covered. Yep, and then now it's kind of bubbling. I don't like the look of it, but hopefully it's gonna like fix itself later on. And I'm gonna, yeah, it's still not dry yet, so I'm gonna wait for a bit. You can tell if it's not dry, it's not gonna like allow you to flip. Now I'm able to flip it, it's kind of like mostly dried on the side. And careful flip. This is skill, dude. Alright, got it. Yep, so I'm just gonna like make sure that the other side is going to like cook properly too, and then that should be it. So once the other side is cooked, I usually estimate the time that I need the other side to be heated, but alright, I think it should be good enough now. I can see the cheese already like cooked. So I'm gonna transfer it to the plate. And I'm gonna add the syrup first, and then I'm gonna add the butter after. And then the butter. I want to look at fancy, but I mean this is like the actual butter. Unless if you actually like cut it like perfectly square, it would look more like a restaurant style. But I'm curious about what to see in the hat, so I'm gonna like cut it in half and see what the cheese looks like in this inside. If it actually melted, or when I did slice it, it felt soft though. Like like the pancake was soft. So I'm gonna just split it in half and see what's the inside cheese looks like the pepper jack. Alright, so when I separate the two, you can see that there's actual cheese in the middle. Yeah, somewhere over there. Again, it's not a lot. It's only like one piece of cheese. Alright guys, thank you for watching.